Hello guys and welcome to the vlog. I'm Jonas Clements and I'm competing in drifting. As you see this picture of me, if you have checked out my earlier vlogs, you maybe have seen that I have been like this close to the camera. But now actually I went to buy a new lens for my camera, which is working really good. So now I can keep it like this and you don't see just my nose here, facial hair. Actually today, this evening, we was supposed to, our plan was to travel up to Ostrobotnia for this weekend, because my wife's brother got engaged with his girlfriend and they have a party for that one tomorrow. Our plan was to go up to that and to bring some stuff with me, because we are moving also up to Ostrobotnia. But we didn't have time after work to pack every stuff we need to bring with us and travel up. So our plan was to jump straight into our bus set and go straight up to Ostrobotnia. But unfortunately our daughter Iris got sick. She got a fever, small fever, so we have to stay a little bit longer. So now the plan is to hopefully she will be healthy and the temperature will be okay tomorrow morning, so we will travel tomorrow morning up to Ostrobotnia. But that means I have now time on this evening to put a lot of stuff that needs to go up to Ostrobotnia in the van, and we can take the van up tomorrow morning. We start really early. This is kind of the things I need to get up. I have two engine stands, and then I have like over here engine head, pistons, another head, valve covers, 3 pieces, oil pans. Yeah, you see a lot of stuff. I have actually done a vlog about when I'm changing wheel bearing on my van, but unfortunately my computer is messing up, or the Windows Movie Maker, which I'm editing in, a really bad program, but it works. It doesn't want to export the vlog, so I have a little problem with that. Otherwise I would have it on YouTube already, but it isn't. And yeah, the wheel bearing actually still have some noises when I'm driving, even if it's a new wheel bearing. So hopefully it will get better, hopefully, yeah. And then I will, yeah. Or otherwise I need to do something about it. Maybe take it off, loosen up, change it, I don't know, yeah. But I have done it now once, so it should be possible to do it one more time and not take so much time. But now it's time to start work in the van and start organizing over there, so I can bring a lot of this stuff with me up to Ostrobotnia. If you wonder what I'm doing over here, I'm actually making it will be a table. I will do grout it with some concrete. It will become a table, for a TV table for my wife's parents. Yeah, and over there I have some metal material for the frame. I will not do this this weekend or today. I will do it probably next week someday. Because also, as you know, we are selling our house and we have a open showing of the house on Sunday when we are gone. We actually be on Monday still in Ostrobotnia. I will go to work and we will go back on Monday evening back to Helsinki. Most of the parts is gone, and that's our dog Eddie. Come. Sit. And yeah, inside. This is actually how it looks like inside my van. And over here I have now 3 heads. I got almost 3 setup of every part to one of 4 engines. The 2 blocks I have actually up in Ostrobotnia at the machine shop. So I will assemble these engines up over there. But as you know, my van had some problems with the wheel bearing, so I will now go out and test drive if it works when I have put some load in the car. If it's really bad to drive, then we will take the Passat up to Ostrobotnia tomorrow. If it's good and doesn't make so bad noises, then we will take the van up to Ostrobotnia, or maybe we take both cars. I don't know if it's possible to hear that sound, but hopefully. Now I have like 80 kilometers an hour. do it. So I'm a little bit afraid to drive with this up to Ostrobotnia, but it's like 500 kilometers, then 500 kilometers back to Helsinki. So now, after being out for a drive with the van and standing over here now, I can smell oil. So, and yeah, this is hot. And I went to the other side and felt that rim also, but that's not as hot as this, and this is smelling oil at this wheel. So I think either way, cheap bearing, or then I tighten the bearing too much, so it's too tight, the bearing. But I think the only thing is to take out the drive shaft again, take off the bearing and go grab a new one and put a new bearing in there. Good morning, guys. It's actually just past 6 o'clock in the morning, and we have actually all eaten breakfast, and we have done some cleaning, and we have put our last bags in the car, because luckily Iris was healthy today and the temperature was good, 35.9 or something. So yeah, she's okay, and now it's time to put myself in the car and start traveling to Ostrobotnia. I'm actually a little bummed about that with my van, that I need to change the wheel bearing again, but that's the way it is, and we actually is heading up again next weekend, so yeah, I have to teach it next week.